Okay, so water's off, water's been drained, the engine's been isolated so no one can start it. And we're gonna go ahead and take these 3 bolts out, take the cover off, then we're gonna get to pulling. A lot of times as and when you're pulling these off, once you introduce air, you're gonna have more water that comes out of your drain on the bottom. Just give yourself some time. If a little bit of water comes out, it's not the end of the world. Just want to make sure we clean it up when we're done. You can hear the air slowly pulling itself in, allowing the rest of the water to come out. Okay, now we have all 3 bolts out. Remove our stainless cap. A little bit of water comes out. Be okay with that. We're gonna grab our tool. We're gonna go ahead and back our tool all the way off. This portion of the tool is what moves your arms in and out. So we're gonna back that all the way off. And go ahead and bring our threaded rod all the way back out too, so nothing is past here. On this specific impeller pump, our cam is closest to us. I'd say that's at like the 3 o'clock position. So we're gonna wanna put both of our arms, one arm at the 12 o'clock position and one arm at the 6 o'clock position. Once you have it all the way in, we'll go ahead and tighten our bolt all the way down. Hand tight. Once it's tight, we wind this in. Go ahead and grab our 9/16. So as we're winding this in, our impeller is slowly starting to work its way off the shaft. We'll go ahead and continue to wind it in. There's not a whole lot of room here. Don't use a ratcheting wrench, regular wrench, or a crescent wrench. About a quarter of the way there now. We should get to a spot here soon where it's going to be easier to pull it out. We wiggled off the rest of the way by hand. Not quite far enough yet. Being so tight like this sometimes does take a while. But we're not causing any damage to the housing of the pump. And with the end of the threaded bolt having a nut on it, you don't have a rod that goes through it, where it makes it even harder or almost impossible to be able to turn the end of this rod to pull it off. So as you can see, both the arms bite tightly on either side of the rubber and they're not causing any damage to the pump itself.